Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors have been protecting homes for decades, but today's smart detectors do much more than sound an alarm. They can notify you through your smartphone, monitor your home's safety while you're away, and even become part of a larger smart home or security system. In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors available today: the Kidde Smart Smoke Detector and Indoor Air Quality Monitor, and the SimpliSafe Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Although both are considered smart detectors, they're designed for very different homeowners. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better fit for your home. You'll find links to both products in the description below, along with our companion article if you'd like a more detailed side-by-side comparison. Let's get started. Let's start with the Kidde Smart Smoke Detector and Indoor Air Quality Monitor. If you're looking for a standalone smart smoke detector that works right out of the box with Wi-Fi connectivity, this is probably the most versatile option in today's comparison. One thing I really like about this detector is that it goes beyond basic smoke detection. In addition to monitoring for smoke, it also keeps an eye on your home's indoor air quality. That's a nice bonus, because poor indoor air quality can affect comfort and health long before it becomes a serious problem. Once connected to your home's Wi-Fi network, the detector works with the Kidde app, allowing you to receive notifications, monitor the detector remotely, and stay informed even when you're away from home. Depending on your setup, you'll also benefit from voice alerts that provide more useful information than a traditional alarm alone. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're replacing an existing hardwired smoke detector. It also includes battery backup, so your home remains protected during a power outage. If you want a true smart smoke detector that doesn't require purchasing an entire security system, I think the Kidde is the better choice. It's ideal for homeowners looking to modernize their home safety while gaining remote monitoring and indoor air quality insights in one device. If you'd like current pricing or additional specifications, you'll find links in the description below, along with our complete companion article. Next up is the SimpliSafe Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Now, this is where many shoppers become confused, so let's clear something up. Unlike the Kidde detector, the SimpliSafe model is designed specifically for the SimpliSafe home security ecosystem. It isn't intended to function as a standalone smart detector. In other words, if you already own a SimpliSafe security system with a compatible base station, this detector integrates seamlessly into that system. You'll receive alerts through the SimpliSafe app, and depending on your monitoring plan, professional monitoring can notify emergency responders if smoke or carbon monoxide is detected. That's a significant advantage for homeowners who have already invested in the SimpliSafe ecosystem, because everything works together through one app and one security platform. However, if you don't already own a SimpliSafe security system, this detector probably isn't the best fit. Many of its smart features depend on having the compatible base station and, in some cases, an active monitoring subscription. If you're already a SimpliSafe customer, this detector is an easy choice. It expands your existing security system while keeping everything managed from one place. But if you're starting from scratch and simply want a smart smoke detector with app connectivity, I think the Kidde provides more flexibility because it doesn't require committing to an entire security ecosystem. Again, if you'd like to compare the features side by side or check current pricing, you'll find links to both products and our companion article in the description below. Both of these detectors offer smart features, but they're built for different situations. If you're looking for a standalone smart detector with Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone notifications, and indoor air quality monitoring, the Kidde Smart Smoke Detector is a smart move. If your home already uses the SimpliSafe security system, then the SimpliSafe Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is the natural choice because it integrates directly into your existing home protection ecosystem. No matter which detector you choose, remember that the best smoke detector is one that's properly installed, regularly tested, and maintained according to the manufacturer's recommendations. I hope this comparison helped you better understand the differences between these two smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If you'd like more in-depth product reviews, comparison articles, and buying guides, be sure to visit Just Tech Me At. You'll find our companion article for today's video, along with additional smart home technology content linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos covering smart home devices, AI technology, wearables, cybersecurity, and consumer tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.